hello my dear students and learners. Welcome to my channel, My Master SMS. In this video, we are going to discuss about ratio and fraction. So, why should we learn this ratios and fraction? So, many students get confused with this P by Q form of ratio and A by B form of a fraction. So, are those similar? Where are these applied in our daily life? So, we will discuss. Okay, let's get started. So when I speak about a ratio itself indicates a comparison between two quantities of same units. Okay, so let's say I got some promotion. Okay, you felt like bringing some fruits to me for congratulating. Okay, so you brought some 5 kg apple. Okay, 5 kg apple. Okay, and 3 kg oranges and 2 liters of pineapple juice. Because I love fruits, you know that's the reason you brought this. Don't think in another way. Sir, you are not in a hospital. Why will we bring? It's not like that. For congratulating, you can give the things which they like. Okay. So 5 kg apple you brought, 3 kg oranges you brought, 2 liters of pineapple juice you brought. Okay. So when I start comparing these quantities, these two are of equal units. These are in kg. Okay, this is of some different unit, liters. Okay, I can't compare 5 kg with 2 liters. I can compare 5 kg with 3 kg. Okay, I asked you, dear student, what is the ratio of the apples and oranges you brought? Okay, immediately I will. What you will do? You will take 5 kg apple by 3 kg oranges. So sir, it is 5:3 is the ratio. Okay, I can't ask you. If I ask you what is the ratio of the pineapple juice to the oranges, immediately you have to say, master, those both are not same units. You can't ask that question. There is no answer for that question. Okay, so in the same way, height, weight also comes. Let's say weight of some my weight will be some 80 kg. Okay, your weight will be some 60 kg. I can compare this. Our ratio is 2 3s are 2 4s are. So our weight ratio is 4:3. It is fine. But I can't compare my height with your height. My height is 175 centimeters. Your height is some 120 centimeters. Sorry. Your weight is 60 kg. We can't compare these quantities because these both are of different units. So when you want to write a ratio, you can compare the quantities and just to know the proportion, and the application of this is in hotels and manufacturing units. In hotels like a chef, even a chef for making biryani for 3 kg of rice, comparison, 1 kg of tomato is required to make tomato bath. This is the ratio. So if he wants to make 6 kg of rice, if he has 6 kg of rice, how much of tomatoes he required? See, for 3 kg rice, he required 1 kg tomato. For 6 kg rice, how much quantity of tomato is required? So at this point, these ratios are very important. We also call them proportions. Okay, portions. 6, 3 into 2. The same way you have to do with 2. Okay, 2 kg of tomato is required. Simple. So this is ratio. So let me discuss what is a fraction. Both are completely different, dear students. Don't get confused. Okay, let me discuss about a fraction. What is a fraction? See, the actual meaning of a fraction is a part. Okay, the literal meaning of a fraction is part. So in mathematics also, part of a whole means I like Kit Kat chocolate. Okay, let me take Kit Kat chocolate, a little bigger Kit Kat chocolate. Okay, so this is a Kit Kat chocolate. We both are studying. I am teaching you math. Okay, you brought a Kit Kat chocolate for me. I took it, but I want to share with you. Okay, so for sharing, since I love it a lot, I can't give you 50%. Okay, I want to give you only one part. There are total 5 parts. I gave you one part. Okay, this is fraction. Simple. This is a part of whole. Okay, so one part of whole. 5. This is with you. What is with me? Can you tell me? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are with me and total parts are 5. So 4 of 5. So this is fraction. Pizza. Total 8 parts are there. You love pizza a lot. You gave me 2 parts. Okay, how much you gave me? 2 by 8. 1 by 4. 2 ones are 4s are. So we have given 1/4 of total pizza. Okay, now let's jump into types of fractions. Very interesting topic. Types of fractions. Okay, fractions types. First one, proper fraction. Second one, improper fraction. Third one, mixed fraction. Fourth, like fractions. Fifth, unlike fractions. And there is also sixth one called equivalent fractions. Really very easy and interesting. If you understand this, trust me, you will never lose marks in calculations, because these fractions, these conversions makes a lot of difference in the calculation. Okay, because this completely linked to LCM. If you understand LCM, the previous video, and fraction together, if you understand, 50% of calculations are done. Okay. What is a proper fraction? Okay. So, proper fraction is in the form of A by B. Here, A will be less than B. In improper, A will be greater than or equal to B. In mixed fraction, it will be like A, B by C form, where this you can solve it as A into denominator plus B by C. Here, according to BORDMAS, you have to do the multiplication first, then later addition. Okay. Like fractions. Like fractions are like if the denominators are same. here denominators are not same. Equivalent fractions means two fractions of different values, but when you simplify them, they will be getting the same result. Like if I write 8 by 24. Okay, this is equivalent to 16 by 48. How? 8 ones are 3s are. 16 ones are 3s are. Ultimately, both the results are 1 by 3 only. Okay, so this is called equivalent fraction. And proper fraction, example 5 by 6, 11 by 19. Improper fraction 6 by 5, 21 by 17. Example 1 by 2, 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2. It will result in 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Denominators are same. Example 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 11 by 8. Okay, unlike fractions are like 1 by 9, 3 by 4, 7 by 8. So these are unlike fractions. So here at unlike fractions only, you have to go for the LCM. Okay, for like fractions already denominators are similar. So directly you can add the numerators. But in unlike fractions, you can't go for the direct addition of numerators and denominators. You have to take common. What is common for 9 and 4? If you want to take LCM for this all, you have to take the LCM for 9, 4, 8. Okay, and then you have to multiply respective numbers to the numerators, and you have to go for the addition or subtraction. Okay, multiplication of fractions will be like directly numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Okay, equivalent fractions are, again one more example I will tell you. Equivalent fractions are like 3 by 2. This is equal to 9 by 6. Okay, this is also 3 2s are 3 3s are 3 by 2. So these are called equivalent fractions. So in this way you have to understand the main difference between ratios and fractions. Fractions are completely, those are not comparisons. It is a part of whole. You are comparing a small part of whole thing. Okay. And mixed fraction, coming to mixed fraction is always a improper fraction. Okay, mixed fraction, see, 3 by 2. This is an improper fraction. Always the numerator will be greater than 2. Sir, what about 5 by 5? What about 8 by 8? These both are what? Improper fractions. If the numerator and denominators are equal, then also those are improper fractions. See, A greater than or equal to B. Clear? Hope you understood. Let's rock the math.